Hello, birdies. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to remove this. I don't know what it is, but I don't think they like it. I did not put that there. I think they ate parts of it. I think we need this one. I didn't know it was such a big box. Plus, it's massive. All right. Let's see how we open this. Ooh. Okay. I mean, yummy for the birds, right? I can hear the birds already. Okay, I'm not sure how to operate stuff like this, but I think you just... Oh, what do I know? Like this. The question is if we should just try to put one in, because I don't think this is right. I'm actually not sure. Well, we will try. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll try to hang it here. Maybe put one here. Yes. I mean, my idea is just to open it up. Ah, deliciousness. Like I'm the one who's going to eat it. If this is not delicious, I don't know what is. Did you guys hear? It sounded like a horn or something. The horn of judgment. So excited to see if they like this. I'm going to put the camera out here again. I used the GoPro yesterday. I thought you should put another round one in here. I'm becoming a bird lady. But listen, I'm manifesting my manor, my castle. So this is going to be part of my life in the future. Feeding the birds. Okay, I think this is good. I'm gonna put a little bit up here. All right. And voila. Oh, they're here. Okay, I'm gonna go grab the GoPro. Alright, birdies, I'm gonna leave you guys be and put my camera up running. Good. Words like, be fast, woman. Move away. Okay, if we do this, then you guys should also be able to see the tree over there. Okay, let's see. Get some pictures